How would you like to spend a year learning to make jewellery? Where would you like to be in a year's time? If making jewellery, running a jewellery business, or being creative are part of the answer, then the online diploma in Silver Jewellery may be the perfect program for you. This year-long course is a complete training in silver and gold jewellery making, suitable for beginners who are looking for a structured, supported online training in making professional jewellery from home. Covering a vast range of techniques, including mastering the fundamentals of soldering, filing, and soldering metal, making wedding rings and engagement-style rings, lots of different and beautiful types of stone settings, polishing and finishing your jewellery, wax carving, making hinges and rivets, design and drawing, sea glass, earring making, pendant making, and ring making, granulation, working in gold, and incorporating business skills such as jewellery photography and how to launch and grow a successful jewellery business. Having run this program at the award-winning London Jewellery School in Hatton Garden for many years, we have now trained over 1,000 jewellers in the online program of this course. This course is a 1 day per week minimum commitment across 3 terms for 1 year. You can work in your own time as each week is flexible to fit around your schedule. And you'll be highly supported in your learning with a combination of one-to-one mentoring from trained professional jewellers, group Q&A sessions fortnightly in different time zones, and an active Facebook group staffed by our jewellers 6 days a week where you can ask questions, share pictures, and get support anytime throughout the year. We also offer a complete tools and materials pack for this course, so you can choose to order either or both packs to ensure you have everything you need to complete the program. If you have any tools, you can use those, and we have a complete list so you can order any additional items you may need. This course is designed to take you from complete beginner to professional jeweller in 1 year, with a view to creating pieces that have commercial value should you wish to set up a career in jewellery and launch your own jewellery business. There are many options for your future and your potential is limitless. We want to help you get there, and this diploma is an amazing year of growth and development for any budding jeweller. To find out more, come and join us on an online open day event or book a discovery call to speak with us about whether it's the right next step for you. Or you can go ahead and sign up right away. Early enrolment is highly recommended as spaces and toolkits are limited. If you have a passion for jewellery making and want to learn more, we are here for you and can't wait to welcome you on to the programme soon.